What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little bit different today. We're actually going to go to CLEETUS cars. I've been wanting to go for a while. It's in Florida. It's about an 8-hour drive. We're going to hop on the road, get down there, check out the event, hopefully meet up with some of the guys I've made friends with and talk to them, check out their rides. I know some of them are getting burnout competition, stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited to go down. I've always wanted to go, like I said, and this is a crazy event, so hopefully we'll catch some crazy footage and get some good content for y'all. Y'all just tag along. We'll get in the truck real quick. Bruh, y'all see that sign? It's a Buc-ee's. You know we fixing to go in here. I ain't never been in a Buc-ee's. I hope it's this section right here. Baby, y'all know I got to go in here. Heard about it on 1320, so that ain't much. I got to check it out. Bro, look how big this place is, man.
Like a shopping center.
How many gas pumps they got up in this joint? I mean, this place is huge and it's packed. That's, look. In here, heard about it on 1320. 41 on that one right there. And it only gets bigger. Good Lord of mercy, look at all the people. This is like the Walmart of gas stations. We're gonna go inside though and check it out. Bro, we're at Buc-ee's. Let's go check it out on the inside and get some Buc-ee's nuts. That's what we're gonna get. Have some beef jerky. What you got?
True slice. Brisket.
Bro, this place is freaking huge. But we're gonna get back on the road. This is crazy. We gotta get some Buc-ee's nuts, and we'll let you know how they taste. My wife's gonna try the. They're not Buc-ee's nuts like I called them earlier.
Beaver nuggets.
They're beaver nuggets. She's gonna try us and tell what she thinks.
Tastes like cinnamon toast crunch, kind of.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
They remind me of the cereals Pops. Do you remember Pops?
You talking about Smacks?
Yeah.
Smacks. Smacks.
There.
So they taste like
Smacks.
I could agree with that. They definitely taste like Smacks. Pretty good. I understand the hype. 1320. It was huge. And these things are pretty freaking good. Anyways, there's the interstate. We're gonna get back on it. We'll see y'all when we get to Florida. Well, we're almost to the destination. I think our hotel's somewhere over that way. A nice 71. Weather's gonna be freaking pretty tomorrow. Get to see some burnouts. All kind of wild stuff.
I want to try here, dude.
Bro, we are staying at the Hampton. Didn't know we were staying here.
Then your
You have to go
destination will
around.
be on the left.
Pull it.
Oh, that's where we're staying. We fancy. Just kidding. We got a really good deal on this one. It's pretty much gonna be all for the trip. We'll catch up with y'all in the morning when we head over to Bradenton Motorsports Park to go to CLEETUS cars. So yeah, we'll just catch y'all in the morning. All right, well, it's next morning. We're here at the Wawa. I'm Florida, you come to the Wawa, that'll make it for the trip. But we're fixing to hop over to the drag strips, just like 15 minutes that way, and we'll catch you when we get there. Close.
You excited?
No. Yes.
We're here.
Bro, we're here. Oh man. I hear some turbo action. Here's some horsepower in the background. But we're here, Brady. That thing sounds like an AK-47 on the two-step, or the limiter. Blow it up. We'll see.
Hey, I'm gonna drive down there real quick.
All right. Go ahead, man. My wife's over there. So.
Reno Factory tour here very soon.
And then they leave at 3.
Appreciate everybody coming to Bradenton Motorsports Park to see some cars. Enjoy yourselves. Get back to the action here shortly.
Oh, there's the Freedom Factory. Hopefully get to go see it. I'm walking over here to get a tour. There's the track. I am filming on my iPhone, new iPhone 12 Pro Max. How's it going? Gonna come with it. Florida's Freedom Factory. Big old American ambulance over there. Check out the track. Well, there's the Freedom Factory. There's Donnie out there just chilling in the rain. Pretty dang cool. Well, we're gonna go back over to the drag strip. Hopefully this weather clears up. We can actually see some racing. Nah, I'm good. I think so. That's John Doss. Protard, methanol.
All right, guys, let's make some noise.
crazy, ain't it?
Those tires didn't stand a chance! Make some noise! Come on.
You got a little rubber there, yeah. That's cool though, wasn't it?
Alright, who thought that was cool?
God, that was awesome.
This is the most expensive vocabulary.
JT Bauer.
So I'm in charge of this? Okay, this does the throttle, right? Starts at 2?
Oh.
Where's the start button? Oh wow.
No way. Yeah, I think he blew it up.
Wow. Started again. Alright, let's hear it for John. That is insane. I've never been able to drive with so much burnout, but I've always wanted to.
Well, that's the end of CLEETUS and cars. What a crazy event. I got to build a burnout truck. That's all there is to it. It's just freaking bananas, crazy. Thanks to my brother for coming along. Wife, you know, always riding with me. So yeah, we're going to get out of here. You've been watching for a while. You know the message. You ain't on the brakes. You better be on the skin pedal, son.